Hello everyone, this is me Kishore Kumar, pursuing being Computer Science Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to tell about the importance of the BMC and its framework along with the detailed explanation of an BMC of a startup company named Vectra AI. First, we will know about what is BMC. Business Model Canva is a tool management that helps us to visualize the concept, idea, and revenue stream of the business. An organization business model can be described with the basic building blocks. These blocks help us to have a deep analysis on functioning of a business. Now let us discuss about the company Vectra AI and its business model Canva. Vectra AI is a cybersecurity platform that uses AI to detect attackers and performs investigation for smooth functioning. Now let us look at the history of Vectra. Vectra was founded in the year of 2010 in the name of Trace Vector at New York City. And in the year of 2012, the company was renamed as Vector Network with several headquarters at France, UK, Germany, and many more around the world. Vectra has become a successful company with a skilled team of threat researchers, data scientists, security engineers, and white hat hackers. The developers at Vectra are trained to design and deploy a network intrusion detection platform which is designed to automate the real-time threat detection. As we all know, the technology has evolved a lot since the invention of the cloud, and for protecting the such cloud platform and the data center requires a secure service through networks. The cloud security ensures that the data and the applications are secured and backed up. Knowing the intrusion of the threat and securing the data to avoid the disaster and the data loss is the key concept, a significant concept of cloud platforms and the data center. Vectra AI is a world leader in AI threat detection and response. The company offers a four application in Cognito platform in which can detect and stop the attack in SaaS application, IoT application, and data center. This platform can be useful for many IT companies and industry which have large number of data to be protected from the external attack. This sums up all about the Vectra AI's history and the growth in this era. Now let us take a look into the 9 components of BMC in detail. Customer segment says about the group of people or IT companies that Vector AI is targeting to sell their product and services. Here we have service provider, developers at IT firms and enterprises in this segment. Value proposition denotes a value a company promises to deliver to the customer. Vectra AI promises their consumer to provide a cloud and data center security, threat hunting with reports, and ransomware detection. Channels are the medium that allows the company like Vector AI to connect with the consumers. Website, resellers, and marketing teams are the significant channels of the companies. Customer relationship has the security, administrator, automation, and direction that are the reason the consumer wants to continue the journey with the company. Key resources are the resources that need to perform key activities. Cloud platform, data center, and deployment team are the key resources of the Vectra AI. Key activities focus on the progress which fulfills the value of the company. Data center operation, IT maintenance, certification for security are the key activities of Vectra AI. Key partners are the external pillars of the company. They are distributor, service seeker, reseller, and industrial enterprises. Cost structure focus in the cost of creating and delivering the services. The cash flow is optimized by Vector AI by maintaining the data center and the cloud. Revenue streams are the source of income by which the company earns apart from its products and services. Vectra AI earns from licensing, tech services, and direction and monitoring of threats. Vectra IA's approximately estimated annual revenue is 96.9 million per. And now we have seen the complete functioning of the company through the BMC model. Thank you for listening till end. If you have any query, contact me at